In this video, I'll show you how to publish a book on Amazon. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to join up with Kindle Direct Publishing. So you can go to kdp.amazon.com or Google search Amazon KDP. Then if you don't have an Amazon account, you can click on Join KDP, and then you'll just fill out all the information, follow the simple prompts, and you will have an Amazon account set up. Now, for those who already have an Amazon account, you're just going to use sign in. Then you need to read through the agreement, and when you're happy, hit I agree. And once you do that, that will bring you to the KDP dashboard, and here is where we will start setting up or publishing your book. Now, before we can jump into that, we need to complete our account setup. So you'll just click on your account and you need to fill in your identity information. When you're done, just hit save and continue. Here on the next screen for account details, you will either choose individual or you'll choose corporation. Only choose corporation if you represent a corporate entity. In the getting paid section, what you'll do is just type in the country your bank account is from. Then fill out all of your banking details. And when you're done there, just click on add. And then you need to put in all your tax information. Of course, this is going to be different depending on what country you are from. All right, so once you are done there, what you want to do is now get to the publishing part. So you're going to click on create new title or series. From there, we'll choose Kindle ebook, or depending on what you want to choose. I'm only going to be covering the Kindle ebook. And now we have quite a big form to fill out. So a lot of the stuff here is very common sense. I would say, I can't think of another word. Your language, book title. If there is a subtitle, you can add the subtitle. It is optional. Is this book part of a series? If not, just leave this option. Is it one of many editions? If not, leave this option. Then you need to put in the name of the author. If you have any contributors, you can add their names here. Next up, we need to add a catching and gripping description, something that's going to make readers want to read and buy this book. Next up, does this contain any sexually explicit images or titles, themes, and so forth? Yes or no. Then again, we have an optional section where you can choose the minimum and maximum age ranges for your book. I would leave the primary marketplace as Amazon.com, but if you think you are going to draw more traffic somewhere else, go for it. Next up is your categories. So you can click on edit categories and you can add, I think it was something like 9 categories. And when you're done, just hit save categories. Now you can choose, does your book get released now, immediately when you're done here, or is it a pre-order? And then hit save and continue. So up next, you're going to actually upload the content. So on upload manuscript is where you upload everything that is inside the book. So not the cover. The cover does not go here. You then also have the options to apply DRM. If you do, you can't change that. Next up, here is where you will put your cover. So you can use their cover creator, or you can take this option here if you have your own cover. Make sure it matches these formats. Then you have the option to launch a preview so you can see what your book is actually going to look like on Kindle, and then hit save and continue. And on the last screen, you can set up your pricing. Of course, I don't have an actual ebook to upload, so I won't be on that section, but it is pretty much just setting up your pricing. Will you allow for, I believe it's something like Prime reading or something like that, where people who have a subscription can read your ebooks. And then of course, setting up how much it's going to cost, promo prices, things like that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.